Page 40, Piano Sonata No. 2, Opus 35. This is a theme from the third movement, also known as a funeral march. Very slow, like sad and funeral sort of. Right hand, it's just... Make sure these are dotted rhythms and not triplets. 1 E end, a 2 E end. That's the rhythm pretty much. Last line there on page 40. It's here. Third, and then substitute so we can go on. On those, repeat these things. I do a 2-3 here. Then here, this is loud. Here I'm doing a 1-2. Could do a 2-3. I just like 1-2. Then run down. This part is loud. Come down. You're still kind of loud though. Hey, come down. And then at the bottom of the page. And then come down. I do a 4-2 in that last measure rather than a 1-3 or 2-4. Then come down. That way on the next page we're back down sort of soft. And then you have more of what you had. The part I want to point out here is the danger in the right hand. Watch out. Don't accent the short note. That's the tenor. I've heard professionals playing and they'll on pieces where the short note, they'll accent the short note in places where it's not supposed to be. The accent goes on the longer note. It's to hear. Like that. So watch out. Left hand has this marching, this the slow. Watch the fingering. They have 4-1-2-5 legato. This is good exercise. It's a little tricky at first. I encourage you to do that with the fourth finger because the tendency is want to use third finger. Please use fourth finger. That's pretty much it until you get over to page 41, third line down. Well, the last measure, the second line, you're here. And then you can tell something different is happening and just follow the fingering. Lift up. Last line. Find that a little awkward. We don't need to do that. That first measure, the last line, you can do fourth finger if you want. And then 3-1, and then 4-2. That's fine. There's no reason you got to do it that way. And then down, and then 3-2, and then here, and then 4-1. So, and then the next page is more what we had. That's the left hand. Put them together. We want to hear the right hand. Keep the left hand soft. Might be playing it a little fast. I'm just doing that for the video. At the top of page 41. Now at the last measure, now you're loud. It's like they're going down the street and they're approaching you. They're far away. They're soft here. And they're gradually getting closer to you. It gets louder. And here, the last measure, the first line there on page 41. Now they're here where you. down a little bit. Accent. And now you're going to be loud. Down a little. Don't get soft, just come down a little bit. And then the last two measures is again, come down. Now you're sort of soft. And at the next page then, on page 42, you come down to sort of soft. Now you're going to build up again. Down. Sort of loud. Medium loud here. Go back up to loud. Come down. Now it's sort of loud. And here is come down to sort of soft. And the last line you're starting out sort of soft. And the last measure you're going to go down to very soft and you're going to slow down a whole lot. The last note is an A there in the left hand. And you'll hold that out for a bit. Now, we need to play this smooth and mysteriously, so we're going to use the pedal to smooth everything out. We're pedaling every beat. It's overlapping pedal or legato pedal. That's fine. Let's try that and see what happens. That's loud. That's sort of loud. Accent. And I put a little space in there, a little silence between that before. So it's announcing something else is happening. What? Back down to sort of soft. Not as soft as you were at the beginning, it's just sort of soft. This is medium soft, it's the melody, which is the right hand. Now here, we've had this sort of before, but with this time it's without an accent. So it's the same as what we just had. And now you had crescendo up a little, about a medium loud, just a little bit, don't go much. And now you're loud. Down a little. And here it's sort of medium loud. That's this loud, come down a little, down to medium loud. We want to hear that top note in the right hand. And now we're down to medium soft. And then you're going to very molto ritardando. Slow down a whole lot and get softer. So the last measure. And then I suggest again, lift the keys up. And then slowly lift the pedal up and let the sound die away. It's like we've reached the grave and the body's in the grave and everything's okay. Yeah. I encourage you to go listen to the actual sonata on this movement at least. It's amazing.